Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Antonia Otazinta and today I'll be doing a beginner makeup tutorial. So if you want to learn how to apply makeup and learn a new tips, then definitely keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. First off, I'll be starting with lining the brow, starting from the under part with Davis number 18 eyebrow pencil. After I'm done lining, I get to fill in the brow starting from the outer corner of the brows. After that, after filling it in, I brush it with a spoolie to give it a nice look. Next, I'll be going in with Iman Concealer cream with this brush. This is what I get comfortable using. Then I get to clean up the under parts of the brows. After cleaning, I use that same concealer as a base for the eyes so that my other products can come in and I blend it out. Now I have already applied the black shadow. I'm going in with this brown and this fluffy brush to blend the edges out. I'll be cutting my crease rather with that same concealer. This is a cream concealer, so I allow it to dry up for a minute or two before going in with my product. I'm going in with this gold shade, so you can use whatever gold you have. Next up, I'll be going in with this pointed brush to darken my outer corner with that same black, and I'll blend the edges again with that same brown to make it look nice and even. Now I'll be concealing her under eyes. After applying my foundation, I did it off camera, I'm sorry about that. Then I'll also be cleaning her top part of the brows to make it look sleek and nice. After blending, I will be setting the face with black opal powder. I'll be setting all of the face, okay? Set it all. So after that, I will be contouring the face with a contour powder, okay? Then I'll be contouring the nose too with that same brush I use. I just clean it up and get to reuse it again. Now I will be dusting off that powder with my powder brush and setting the contour with a brown powder too. Now I'll be applying her highlighter to give it a good glow, okay? And after that, I'll be highlighting the nose. Be using this powder to dust off any excess around, okay? After that, I will be lining the lips with eyebrow pencil I use for the lips. I'll be going with this MAC red lipstick, and I'll be using the highlighter just a little bit on the lips to get that shine that I want. Then I'll go over it with a lip gloss. Guys, this is the final look. If this video was helpful to you, let me know what you think in the comment section. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.